Tuesday, April 16, 2024. Focus. I am the bread of life. The crowd demand a sign from Jesus before they will believe in him. They point to the Old Testament where the people were fed with manna. Jesus tries to make them understand that he is the true bread, but they do not accept this. Not surprising, because only the Holy Spirit can make this belief possible. Jesus explains that the bread of life is He Himself. It means that if we accept Him in the Holy Eucharist, He will satisfy our hunger and thirst for happiness. For what we receive in the Eucharist is not something but someone, the only one who can give us perfect peace and happiness. How many today have stopped attending Mass? Perhaps they find it irrelevant. When faith is lacking, understanding weakens. This highlights the need for the Holy Spirit. There are countless mysteries around us, and we accept them without batting an eye. Then why do we find it so difficult to accept the weightier truths of our faith, like the Eucharist? Jesus' disciples did not have it any easier, yet they remained steadfast in their beliefs, even unto martyrdom. Such was the firm foundation of their faith. We too must stand by Jesus' words. They are true and eternal. Fruit. I will use every opportunity to strengthen the fervor for the Eucharist among those whose belief is weak. It can become a game changer in lives of the Christians.